Hey everyone! Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I made a video, but I have a good reason. I had the flu for 2 weeks, I had a cold for 2 weeks, I had laryngitis. I was just not in a good place, so it's taken a long time to get back into the groove of things. But if you've been sticking with me, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you've been sticking with me, thank you so much. My name is Tiara and you are watching Kalana Curls, and this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, maybe a customization of a wig that I purchased, and hopefully an install as well. I'm going to try and get all that into this video. I am not a wig person. I have had one wig that I've purchased that was a silk top, and I've only made one wig. And this is a little different for me because it's a lace front wig and I've never actually done anything to it, but I'm just going to show you what I got. So this came in the mail, and I will leave all the info in the description box below. But this wig is from WowAfrican, and I saw Michelle over at my Invisible Chrysalis. She had, I guess, a promo of their 20% off spring wig sale. So I had to take advantage. And yes, I did buy this with my own money. It's not sponsored or anything, but I am really, really excited to try this wig. She's also one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm pretty sure if we knew each other in real life, we'd be like best friends. Okay, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it comes with the wig caps. Ooh, they're dark. Nice. And then it's got a little pamphlet. And of course, she's on the front because she's awesome. Hair care, it's just hair care tips and stuff inside here. I don't know what this is. Oh, and then there's a piece of elastic, which I think I might use. And this is so cute. Look at this. It's like its own little bag. How cute. Okay. And now I purchased a lace front wig, so it's not full lace because I don't have that kind of money. But this is a natural color, 16 inches, and the item number is LFW09. It's I think it's deep wave Brazilian. Just something different, you know. I didn't want to go super straight. Smells wiggy. Washing it should help that. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the thing. I don't remember the density, but it feels very natural. Oh my gosh, these like super perfect curls. Super soft, but like definitely I think needs to be washed. And it claimed that the knots were bleached, but they don't look bleached to me. I mean, like I can still see the knot. I'll try and zoom in. Maybe you can't see it. Maybe you can't see it on camera, but I don't think the knots look very bleached to me. So I'm gonna try and bleach them. Now, I'm a newbie, so there are plenty of other people who have made videos about customizing your wig that you should probably follow. I'm gonna follow their videos in order to make this wig less wiggy. So let's look at the inside. I got cap number 7 with this wig. And so it has 4 combs, 2 at the temple, 1 in the back, and then like 1 at the crown here. This is the part with the wefts. This is the lace front. Oh, it does have adjustable straps in the back too. Honestly, my plan is to have this ready for Easter or Resurrection Sunday because I really want to wear it. And I want my hair to be like perfect. Now I'm really, really excited to try it on, so I'm just gonna try it on. Take my hair out of this head wrap, which I've fallen in love with doing head wraps. When I was really ill, I didn't have time or creativity or energy to do anything else because through part of having the flu, I had to go to work. Anyway, that's all. It's just in a bun right now. and I'm not going to sit here and braid my hair. Just a super quick. So between my last video and then before I got sick, I did do a henna treatment in my hair and a couple amla treatments, so that's why the color looks different. And you can definitely see the henna on the parts that I had bleached, but this is my natural color here. This wig cap is dark. Never seen them this dark before. Ow! Okay, now I can try it on. I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to look like, but here's what we got. Oh, yay. I was so afraid it was going to be too big. I got the smallest cap size I could, but thankfully it doesn't look too big. Alright, it's hard to see with my black shirt. So it's really funny, but this 16-inch wig is almost the exact same length as my actual hair. Oh, I'm so excited. I think it looks pretty flat, even without cornrows. But it feels good. It feels good on my head. It's not too tight. Alright. I think I should probably like start my bleach process and whatnot. Oh, it's so soft. I am getting a couple shed hairs running my hands through it. Alright, so right here is where I'm mixing up the bleach powder. I got the pack and the developer from Sally Beauty Supply. I'm basing my video on Tiara Monet. She's on YouTube and she's like this really talented wig maker and wig installer, and if you are really interested in how to do this properly, you should definitely watch her video, and I will link it down below. Once I got my paste made, I lightly started what I thought was tapping the bleach into the lace front. I flipped it over and I sped it up so you're not sitting here for an eternity, but I think I might have either made it too runny or I was pushing too hard, but as you'll see in a second, it didn't work out the way I had planned. I over bleached the knots, and then there's one thing I'm about to do that you really should not do, but this is what I did. Right here, don't do this. Don't do this. If you're making a wig, and this is the first wig video you've watched, don't do this. Don't do this. Anyway, I left that on there for about 15 minutes and then I rinsed out the bleach, and originally it looked really, really good. I was like, yes, this is perfect. Like Tiara was saying in her video, she's like, that's that moment. You see your knots are bleached and you get really excited. Well, I sped it up, but look at that. The roots are blonde. I cut it out, unfortunately, but I first washed it with a neutralizing shampoo, and then I used this purple shampoo to tone the blonde. One last thing, I did also re-dye the hairline, clearly, but I didn't record that because it was just, I think I was so frustrated that I had made it blonde that I didn't feel like filming it, but I just bought a box dye and used a spoolie, and there are so many videos on YouTube, thankfully, that show you how to fix over bleached knots. So that's what I did. This is definitely a struggle video because then my camera cut off and didn't realize that until I was already in the installation process. So you missed the pre-plucking and the styling of the baby hairs and the applying of foundation to the lace, all the things that I learned from other videos. But you know what? This is not really a tutorial because I'm not great at this. This is the second application of the Invincible gel. It got to be glued. I put it on and then let it dry, and then I put on some spray. So this is the second application of that gel. It's not adhesive, if you're wondering. It's just a gel that's got a super strong hold. And I am kind of putting it into my hair along not just my skin, but also my hair. But don't worry, I did not rip any hair out when I took this off. I just couldn't bring myself to pull it down any farther because then it just looked weird. I still think it looks weird, but I'm just pressing the lace into the gel to get it to stay. And it didn't take very long, but I'm using the end of that thing I used to mix the bleach with, because Tiara said in her video that if you put your fingers on it, it'll turn white. But she used a different gel. I'm still trying, pretending like I know what I'm doing and making my baby hairs look smaller. And then I'm taking more of that black Invincible got to be glued gel and hiding the lace, what I think is hiding the lace, with the baby hairs on the wig. I don't know. It's something about this is off to me. Maybe it's too many baby hairs. I don't have this many baby hairs, so maybe that's just why it's weird to me. I didn't slick all of them down because it was just looking weird, so some of them are sticking straight out. So I'm taking a little bit of mousse and putting that into those extra stray baby hairs so they're not sticking out. And here's what the hairline looks like. I pre-plucked one side better than I think I did the other, but it's still a struggle, girl. I'm not good at this. So I'm just fluffing it. I definitely took a comb and combed through a lot of those curls, which is why it looks bigger and more effortless, which is what I was really going for. And I like the length. I'm just not crazy about the hairline. I feel like it still looks fake, but I'm trying to like it. So it is what it is. To make it look a little less poofy in the front, because I've been messing with it so much, I sprayed it down with some water and then I added more mousse, and then off camera I took a Denman brush and ran that through the ends of the parts that were really, really fuzzy, just to bring some of the curls back, because scrunching worked, but the Denman brush actually made it a little bit springier. And this is the view from the back. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'm so jealous of this hair. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so if you saw the beginning of this video and I said I was going to do for Easter, I didn't end up doing that, and this is definitely struggle video, amateur hour, definitely not great at putting on a lace front wig. Clearly, it's my very first time putting on a lace front wig. I'm glad I finally tried it out. I hate that I'm jealous of this wig, and the length and the volume and the, I don't know, just how perfect it is all the time, even though it's kind of windblown. But I ended up wearing this wig, this unit, to an auction. I was volunteering at this like super fancy wine auction, and I figured if I want my hair to look great, then I should wear the unit. And I also didn't get to wear it on Easter because, well, I over bleached the knots, as you saw earlier in the video. But I guess I'm kind of proud of myself that I got it done, but it's definitely not something I'm gonna do all the time, because it's still, I still can't figure out how to get it super natural looking, and maybe because it's only a lace front and not a full lace wig, it's gonna be harder. I don't know. I think it looks very obvious. Some people might not think it looks obvious, but I know what my hairline looks like, and it doesn't look like this, and I don't normally slick them like this. I don't know. From far away, I feel like you can definitely fake people out, but people who know me and, you know, me, I think it's very obvious that I'm wearing a wig, but that's okay. I wanted to look fancy for tonight, hence the dark dress and the red lips. I kind of like it, you know. Been wearing it off and on just just testing the water on dark lipstick. Okay, not dark lipstick, just lipstick in general. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. Thank you so much for sticking with me if you stayed through this entire struggle video. Thank you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and then go ahead and hit the bell as well so you are notified every time I upload a video. I hope to see you in the next video very soon. I've got a couple ideas of what I'm going to do with my natural hair. But until next time, you guys, bye!